chef, learning his craft from Vegas gourmet rooms of the past. Back when Master D's wore tuxes and flair, and the lobster came out with a silverware stare. He sharpened his skills on patience and heat, learned when to stir and when to take a seat. From the sands to the dunes, recipes untold,